This video introduces the point cloud file formats and loading methods supported by CoProcess software. Point cloud formats. Point cloud data supports LAS, LAS, CODATA, and HPC formats. LAS is a universal point cloud data format, but does not support massive datasets. LAS is a compressed format of LAS. CODATA is the point cloud format for CoProcess 2 and Copper 2. HPC is the point cloud format for CoProcess 2025, supporting the loading of massive point cloud datasets. Loading. When loading LAS, CODATA, or other formats, the software automatically converts the data into an HPC file with the same name before loading it into the application. Loading methods. Method 1. Directly drag and drop the point cloud file into the viewport. Method 2. Click Basic greater than Open Point Cloud and select the point cloud file. Method 3. Right-click on an engineering tree node or an empty area, select Open Point Cloud, and choose the point cloud file.